It's about time, Gray. Unrecognized message, it's fine. Kind of a bleed through. I'll count that. Well, I won't drop that. Oh, the Jensen. I forgot to turn back on. Sorry. Was this on? Yeah, it was. I just didn't go off. Yeah.
A chance of showers in the morning, then showers likely with scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-60s.
Alright. That one off. That one off for unrecognized. The 519. Pretty much everything went off, except for a couple. I'm going to be changing this setup anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, they don't usually test that late, even though it's technically in the hour window of 11 a.m. to noon. It still bothers me when they test that late. Sorry if I don't sound so enthusiastic. I'm very, very tired today. And still upset I missed that flash flood warning in York County, Maine. It also included Cumberland. So that would have been 3 stations and two FMs, I believe. Alright.